Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your earbuds Energy System Style 4 using application. You have to start by open Smart Connect application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, but the most important that your earbuds should be or inside the charging case, but charging case should be opened, or outside the charging case. Right here at the right side we have Find It button. You need to tap on it, then give permission for it, and now we have them. Now, before we check it, as you can see, if I put it, I still can find them, but once I put it to the charging case, I cannot do this because my headphones should be disconnected from the phone, and as you can see, it just shows me the latest location. We can try to play sound, but nothing happened. But we can also try to increase the volume, but we can do this only for the phone. Now let me reconnect them with the phone. Also I wanna remove them from the charging case. Okay, we have connection. Now, as you can see, we have the sound. If you wanna stop it, just tap at the pause. If you wanna play it, just tap at the play and confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!